McDonald's sandwiches will put stuff like this. Vegemite. Now Vegemite is nothing like Nutella. In fact, it's a standard thing to do to an American visitor is to make someone have Vegemite on toast and watch their face as they eat it. This is really salty. It tastes like soy sauce. Tim Tams are a chocolate biscuit with chocolate around them and chocolate frosting in the centre as well. If you ever have something in Australia and you want to take something home, they're the ones to have. Great Barrier Reef starts about where the mouse cursor is now, and it goes north all the way up. It's huge. It's the world's longest coral reef system. The Great Barrier Reef's there, and on the other side is another huge reef called the Ningaloo Reef. So it's in tropical water. Coral doesn't like cold water. Now we'll get rid of that photo for now. Now we'll go back to our coral reef. This particular shot, I chose this because that shot there, there's a heart-shaped reef in the Great Barrier Reef, and really rich people will spend money and buy that space during Valentine's Day. Cricket involves two batsmen who cross along a pitch each time they hit the ball. Now, we don't have a pitcher, their name is a bowler. That bowler bounces the ball on the ground before it goes up to the batsman. We do play a lot of rugby, heaps of rugby. That's playing our, this is like, you know how you have rivalry with Canada? Well, we have rivalry with New Zealand. Australia's colours are green and gold. We play New Zealand a lot. We get rid of the 1 cent, 2 cent coin, no one uses them. And the 5 cent's about to go as well, because it's just a waste of metal. It costs the country money to make it, and no one even uses it. Sydney funnel web spiders are in the top 10 most deadliest spiders in the world. They're actually way more deadly than a black widow. You can see here that in Australia, a lot of the towns are on the eastern seaboard. Remember, in Sydney down here, this is where we were first settled, and a lot of our fertile farming area is on the eastern seaboard along the Great Dividing Range, which is a huge mountain range which goes right along the eastern side of Australia. We do have towns in the south and in the west, but look at this. You can see a lot of here is quite, well, it's not barren, it's just semi-arid desert. Big blue skies and signs like this, like unfenced road, watch out for kangaroos, watch out for emus, which are kind of like ostriches, only a little bit smaller. Even in the middle there's camels. Now, camels were brought over from Africa. To give you an idea how far away I am from you guys, is you're over here. It takes about 6 or 7 hours to fly across America. You then have to change planes. You then have to fly over this large ocean all the way down to Australia. That flight across that ocean is about 15 hours. So you're looking at 15 hours of flying here. You're looking at, whoa! You're looking at 6 hours of flying over this way. So 21 hours of flying just to get to you guys. Now, what's the name of this ocean anyway? Does anyone know?
Pacific Ocean.
Well done. Excellent. We've got the Pacific Ocean there. And it's a large expanse of sea.